tuning in. My name is Sneha Singhi. I am the head chef and owner of Paris Cafe, Kolkata, which by the way is the best cafe in town. I hope आप लोग सब अपने घर पे क्वारंटीन हैं और एकदम सुरक्षित हैं. I would really like to thank Amul for taking such a great initiative ताकि आप इतने yummy things अपने घर पे बैठे बना सकें, वो भी इतने कम ingredients के साथ. आज मैं बनाऊंगी चीज एंड पोटैटो रोस्टी.
Guys, can you hear me? Can you hear?
Guys, can you hear me? I hope
Can you
all of you
hear?
can hear me.
Guys, please इनका ठीक कीजिए ना. Come on, Mr. Videographer, जल्दी कीजिए. Sorry, I am doing very bad. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now, guys? I hope you all can hear me and I'm... Yeah? Okay, perfect. So let's just start again. Hi guys, my name is Sneha Singhi. I'm the owner and head chef of Paris Cafe, Kolkata. And again, I would like to thank Amul for taking such an amazing initiative. And today we are making cheese and potato roasty, for which we're gonna use a very few ingredients like potatoes, जिसके लिए मैंने यूज किए हैं 5 potatoes, जिसको मैंने 5 मिनट के लिए माइक्रोवेव में. Can you all hear me, guys? Can you please reply if you all can hear me?
Comments will help.
Comments will help. They would really help. Guys, I hope you all can hear me.
I'm seeking you.
Okay. So, ingredients के लिए हमें चाहिए potatoes. We have 5 potatoes, जिसे हमने 5 मिनट के लिए माइक्रोवेव में पील करके डाला था. And they are soft and ready. बीच में थोड़े hard हैं, but that's exactly how we need it. We need butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter, pepper and salt, some cheese, Amul cheese, of course, because that is the most. Herbs like parsley, oregano, chili flakes, जो भी आपके साथ हो, जो भी आपके पास हो, you can use anything that you have. So पहले हम लोग बनाएंगे the roasty and then उसके साथ हम बनाएंगे cheese sauce. और cheese sauce के लिए हमें चाहिए butter, 2 spoons of butter, 3 spoons of corn flour, Amul milk and Amul cream, which is 1 cup of Amul milk and half cup of Amul cream. तो चलिए, let's begin. Let's not waste any more time and let's start. I really hope you all can hear me. और अगर आपके पास कोई भी questions हैं, तो आप please comments में लिखिए. I will definitely try and answer them. तो potatoes को पहले हम shred करेंगे with a grater. And these skins that we are left with, ये हम यूज नहीं करने वाले हैं. तब तक हमारा पैन हीट पे है, इट्स ऑन एंड वो हीट हो रहा है. So this is what we are left with, shredded potatoes. अब इस हॉट पैन पे हम डालेंगे about 1 spoon of butter, एंड इसे हम अच्छी तरीके से मेल्ट कर लेंगे. Once the butter has melted, we're going to add half of our potatoes. तो बस potatoes को ऐसे लेके हम अच्छी तरीके से स्प्रेड करेंगे. potatoes were medium size. You can also use big ones. इससे हम एक बड़ा रोस्टी बनाएंगे, but if you like, you can make small ones as well. और अब जैसे ये कुक हो रहा है, हम अपने रोस्टी को बीच में ऐसे पुश करेंगे ताकि it remains a round circle. Just be patient. ये कुक होगा, बट इससे थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. अभी मेरी हीट जो है वो मीडियम लो पे है, so that we get this nice golden color नीचे. This is a traditional Swiss recipe. It's not like जैसे हम इंडिया में बनाते हैं जिसमें कॉर्नफ्लावर वो सब जाता है. It's just not required because potato खुद ही इतना starchy है, which is just great. You don't need to add anything else. अच्छा, जब ये पोटैटो कुक हो रहा है, अब हम इस पे स्प्रिंकल करेंगे सॉल्ट एंड पेपर. Guys, if you have any questions, आप मुझे अभी पूछ सकते हैं जब तक पोटैटोज कुक हो रहे हैं. I could answer them for you. Okay, I guess no questions then.
People are asking if the potato is half cooked.
So the potatoes were in the microwave for exactly 5 minutes. मैंने बस इसे peel करके microwave में डाला just for 5 minutes, and that's about it. If you don't want to use a microwave, you could use an oven, but oven में आपको ये 30 minutes के लिए डालने होंगे without the peel. Or if you want to use a pressure cooker or something, again, I don't want the potatoes to be एकदम cooked. They should be hard in the middle, a little hard in the middle. So if you're cooking them in a pan, then you cook them for about 10 minutes, but make sure that they are hard in the middle. Okay. I hope you guys can see एक perfect round बना है. And I know कि नीचे में already cooking शुरू हो गई है इसकी बहुत अच्छी तरीके से. I want it evenly browned.
Leena Nagvenkar asked, can I make it with sweet potatoes?
You can definitely make this with sweet potatoes. That is a healthier version for sure.
Ryan asked, should we add salt for potatoes while boiling?
No, please don't add anything to the potatoes. Also, if you're boiling them in a pan, then I would say to cut your potatoes and put them in cold water and boil it together. आप अपने potatoes को boiling water में ना डालें because सारा starch इसमें से फिर निकल जाता है. Okay, let's get back to this first. ये अब cook हो चुका है sides में, I can see. तो अब हम इसमें डालेंगे cheese and herbs. Amul processed cheese, which definitely is the best. आप इसमें Amul mozzarella भी डाल सकते हैं if you want a stringy consistency. Also आप इसमें onions, mushrooms cook करके डाल सकते हैं, spinach, anything you like. It doesn't have to be only cheese. But जो भी आप डालेंगे, make sure कि आप बस बीच में डालें and sides में नहीं. I like it spicy, so I'm gonna add a little extra chili flakes. And herbs में I'm adding fresh basil. You can add whatever herbs you have available, dried or fresh. Next, oregano. And just press it down. Now while this is cooking, you have a question?
Yeah, Jayashree asks, is there a written recipe?
I can write this recipe once this is done, and you could follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Sneha Singhi1, and उस पे भी ये recipes हैं. So if you would like to have a look, you can definitely go ahead. It's Sneha Singhi1. Okay, so my potatoes are done, and now I'm going to cover it with the rest of the potatoes that I had left, and just press it down. Make sure that the middle is covered more than anything else.
Suruchi asks, to tell which variety of potatoes are the best to use.
You please use old potatoes for this. जो भी आपके पास पुराने potatoes घर पे बचे हैं, just use any potatoes you have. You can also use sweet potatoes. Okay, so we're just making sure कि ये बीच वाला जो पार्ट है चीज का वो कवर्ड है. अदरवाइज मैंने साइड्स में ऐड नहीं किया है एक्स्ट्रा पोटेटो, बट अगर आप चाहें तो आप डेफिनेटली ऐड कर सकते हैं. ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू रिपीट कि आप अगर चाहें तो आप इसे छोटे पोर्शंस में भी बना सकते हैं. दिस फीड्स अबाउट 3 people or 2 if I'm eating. But you can make them in smaller portions to feed like your family. Okay, now is the main part, guys. अब हम इसे flip करेंगे. तो because you guys can't, I'm sure आप लोग सब इसे ऐसे flip नहीं कर पाएंगे. So I'm gonna show you a really great trick. आप इस पे एक बड़ा प्लेट डालें. Make sure not to burn yourself. यहाँ ऊपर से प्रेशर डाल के हम इसे टर्न करेंगे. This is what we have as of now, but don't worry, we're gonna cook it a little more. अगर आपके पैन में कुछ स्टक है जैसे ये, इसे आप निकाल लें. Now again, add some butter to your pan to make sure the potatoes don't stick again. And this time, I would like to burn the butter a little bit ताकि बहुत सुंदर कलर आ सके हमारे potatoes पे. Okay, so we have this here, and इसमें हम एक और प्लेट डालेंगे, and इसे हम फिर से फ्लिप करेंगे ऐसे, and इसमें हम ये पैन डालेंगे, and फिर से फ्लिप. As you can see, it's perfect, and आप इसे evenly cook भी कर पाएंगे because of this. फिर से जैसे हमने पहले किया था, just push the sides inside to get a perfect round. And if you think कि आपको ये कलर पसंद नहीं, हम लोग इसको वापस कुक कर सकते हैं just the same way that we flipped it right now. We can flip it again and cook the side again.
People are asking for your Instagram ID. Do you want to repeat it?
Yeah, my Instagram ID is Sneha Singhi1, and I put up one new recipe every single day, so you might as well join and check them out. And I have them on my highlights, and also मैंने अपने stories and post पे भी डाल रखा है ताकि आप check करके बना सके. And अगर आप कुछ भी बनाए please मुझे tag करें. I would love to know कि आपने क्या बनाया है. Okay, so किसी भी spatula या कुछ भी लेके आप बस इसे स्पून भी लेके आप इसे बस प्रेस करें ऐसे ताकि we get a really nice and beautiful rounded shape. Again, my pan is on medium high now so that I cook it nicely and evenly ताकि अंदर से potatoes पूरी cooked रहें. Any more questions? Okay, so 2 मिनट के बाद अब मैं इसमें और थोड़ा हल्का सा बटर डालूंगी साइड्स में ताकि it doesn't stick, and I want the sides also to be a really nice golden color, and also a little more on the top because I would like to flip it and cook it again. If you think कि आपके potatoes 2 या 3 मिनट में कुक हो गए हैं, then you can increase the heat and cook them so that you get a great color on them.
Swati Agarwal asks, does an induction cook better? Is there any difference?
There isn't any difference. I prefer using a gas, but induction works just fine. Also, guys, if you all like it spicy, you can add green chilies inside the filling also. And like I said, the other options are mushrooms, onions, spring onions, bell peppers, spinach, anything that you have. आपके पास जो भी है घर पे आप उसे डाल सकते हैं.
Are we supposed to saute the mushroom before putting on potatoes?
Yes, whatever you put inside except cheese and chili. You have to saute before putting it inside. And also once again, जो भी आपका filling है आप उसे बस बीच में डालें, otherwise it will start to ooze out. So just in the middle, and then we cover the middle again with the potatoes.
Can you tell Khyati Dalwadi what we're cooking? She's just joined and she's very, very inquisitive.
Okay, hi Kathy. We're making a cheese and herb roasty with potatoes, cheese, and herbs, obviously. And for that, I'll repeat the ingredients again. We have taken 6 potatoes, जिसे हमने माइक्रोवेव में 5 मिनट के लिए हाई हीट पे डाला था, and they were peeled potatoes, and then we grated them once they had cooled down, and then उसके बाद we put it in a pan with some butter, sauteed. We didn't have to saute them, sorry, just have to get a color on them. बीच में filling add किया, and then covered it with the potatoes again. Okay, we just have to wait for the potato to get a good color. So I have increased the temperature of my induction. Guys, you can also do this in the oven. अगर आपको ये oven में cook करना है for a better color, what I would suggest is कि आप ऐसा pale color बस लेके इसे oven में डाल दें for about 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees, so that you get a great brown color on top. Okay, I can see smoke coming out from the bottom, so now I'm going to flip it again.
Jubilee asks a very interesting question. She says, any other option for Weight Watchers instead of potatoes or sweet potatoes?
You can make this with zucchini, but आप अगर ये zucchini के साथ बनाएंगे, then you will have to add some corn flour to it. Okay. So as you guys can see, this is what I had on the top, and my bottom is ready. But I want to cook this again. तो अब मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा और butter डालूंगी. Guys, this potato roasty recipe is just out of the world. You guys can trust me on that. Sorry. Okay. There you go. You can see this color. It's beautiful. I've got a really nice brown color on the sides, and it has cooked in the middle, but I want a better color for my top, so I'm going to cook it for another maybe 3 minutes. Or 2 minutes as soon as I think that it's ready. Okay guys, so you can use zucchini, but if you are using zucchini, then cook your zucchini, like blanch it, and then आप उसमें corn flour डालें. If you add eggs, then please go ahead and add eggs to it. Otherwise, just mix it with corn flour and do the exact same thing that I've done with the potatoes. And also, we are going to serve this with a cheese sauce, with a cheese sauce. But you can also make salsa or anything that you want. But because मैंने क्विक रेसिपी बनाने की कोशिश की है, तो हम बस आज इसमें क्रीम की चीज सॉस ही डालेंगे. If you want to check out the tomato salsa recipe, you can follow me on my Instagram profile at Sneha Singhi1. Okay. So I know this is done because smoke निकल रहा है सारे साइड से. So I'm just going to leave it in this pan itself. Until then, I'm going to start cooking my cheese sauce, for which I need 2 spoons of butter, and इसे हम melt करेंगे. Make sure कि आपका pan hot है, but because मैंने इसे अभी डाला है, so we're going to wait for our butter to melt. Guys, I really hope that you make this recipe because you all are going to make your families proud. This is yum. Trust me. Okay. अब butter melt हो चुका है, so we're going to add our corn flour. 2 tablespoons corn flour, 2 tablespoons butter. हम इसे like 10 seconds के लिए cook करेंगे जब तक corn flour का raw smell चला नहीं जाता. You can also add maida if you don't have corn flour. It doesn't really make a difference. Okay, this is done. अब मैं इसमें ऐड करूंगी अमूल मिल्क. एंड इसे अब हम कुक करेंगे जब तक कोई लम्प्स नहीं हो. Any more questions, guys? Please go ahead and ask me if you have anything else to ask. Okay, I guess not. अच्छा, तो अब आप देख सकते हैं कि ये थिकन हो रहा है. Yeah. Now we add our cream. If you don't want to add cream, you don't have to go ahead and add it. मतलब आप बस मिल्क के साथ भी ये बना सकते हैं. अब मैं इसे सीजन करूंगी सॉल्ट एंड पेपर के साथ. प्लीज रिमेंबर कि पोटैटोज में हमने सॉल्ट एंड पेपर ऐड नहीं किया था. वी जस्ट स्प्रिंकल्ड सम इन द मिडिल. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप जो भी इसके साथ सर्व करें, आप जिस भी चीज के साथ इसे सर्व करें, आप उसमें सॉल्ट अच्छी तरीके से डालें. डोंट मेक इट सॉल्टी बट एड सॉल्ट.
Praveen, Sachdeva and Melissa, they ask, is this similar to white sauce?
This is similar to white sauce, yes.
And Ritu Sumani asks, can roasty be made ahead and kept?
It can be made ahead and kept. And I'll give you another trick. आप इसे अगर oven में वापस heat करके serve करें, it gives the best results because it's crunchy on top and it's soft on the inside, so it's fabulous.
And
Okay, now
we also have another question about the milk quantity. Would you want to tell them that you'll be posting this recipe?
okay, so I will be posting this recipe once I'm done with this video, but I added about 1 cup of milk in say 1/3 cup of cream, and now my sauce is ready. So I'm going to add a little bit of cheese, oregano, chili flakes, and some basil to this. And I've already added the salt and pepper. You can see how thick this is. अगर आपको इसे और पतला करना है, आप इसमें और मिल्क डाल सकते हैं, जैसे मैं अभी डालने वाली हूँ. So I had added 3/4 cup already, and this is about 1/4 cup more. And let this just cook through. We don't want any lumps inside. And ये मैं एकदम low heat पे अब cook कर रही हूँ. Okay, so this is done. Now it's time to serve. So again, I'm gonna heat this for about 20 more seconds, and I'm just making it a perfect round shape by pushing the sides inside like this. This is exactly why I like to make a big one. एक तो आप इसको शेयर कर सकते हैं, secondly आपके perfect round circles बनेंगे. अगर आप छोटे बना रहे हैं and you want perfect round circles, then आप please cutter में या किसी mold में बनाएं. If not, then it's all right. Like that's the whole fun of it. Try it out at least.
How long can we store the cheese sauce for?
If you store it in the fridge, you can store it for about 2 to 3 days. 3 days at the max. I haven't ever tried more than that. But this should be absolutely fine because it's completely cooked through.
Can we add Amul flavored cheese or cheese spread or add herbs to the sauce?
I have added herbs to my cheese sauce, and I have used Amul cheese. But I don't add cheese spread to this. But if you like it more cheesy, you can definitely add cheese spread. In fact, आप इसके अंदर भी Amul cheese spread डाल सकते हैं. अब मैं इसे turn करने वाली हूँ. So again, same way. This big plate goes on top. Okay, push this on the top, and there you go. A perfect roasty. As you can see, it's completely done. It's completely cooked, and it has a beautiful color. If you want more color, then obviously आप इसे और भी cook कर सकते हैं, but I think this is absolutely fine. If you want it crispier, आप इसी stage में आप इसको oven में डाल सकते हैं for about say 10 minutes or till you get like a great color on top. Okay, and now to serve, I'm just going to add some cheese sauce on top. You can also add vegetables to your cheese sauce if you like mushrooms, spinach, anything that you like. You could totally add on your on your cheese sauce. Sorry. So, and then just garnish with the basil or any other herb that you like. And I will also sprinkle it with some chili flakes because I like it spicy. And there you go, guys. This is absolutely ready. I really hope that you guys try this out. I will put it right here so that you all can have a better look at it. And with the remaining cheese sauce or the white sauce, you can make pasta or anything that you like. आप इसे किसी भी चीज़ के लिए use कर सकते हैं. In fact, this sauce is perfect for lasagna and any sort of pasta, macaroni, or any kind of baked dishes, anything that you like. Thank you so much for tuning in, everyone. I had such a great time making all of this for you. I really hope that you all make this at home. Also follow me on Instagram. My handle is Sneha Singhi1. And also, yes, if you all have any questions, I would like to answer them now. Oh, yeah, my sister would like to try this for herself. Okay, I will break it from the middle and show you all. There you go. The cheese is nice and it's oozing. Again, I will have a bite of it. Guys, you have to try this. This is my dinner. It's fantastic. Okay, any questions? Can I answer anything for anyone?
I guess everyone's just asking for your Instagram handle, so just let them know.
Sneha Singhi1. Follow me for more recipes that I put up every day. And let me tell you very frankly, I only use Amul products because they are the best. You can completely vouch on them for the best quality. And I also always answer to any questions that you all have on Instagram. So please feel free. And अगर आप सब जो देख रहे हैं मुझे आज, अगर आप ये घर पे बनाएं तो प्लीज मुझे पिक्चर्स डेफिनेटली भेजें मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे ताकि मैं उसे वापस पोस्ट कर सकूं. And it will make me really happy to see that you all have cooked it. Thank you so much once again. I will post the recipe up and I will see you on my Instagram. Thank you, guys.